Assalomu alaykum, qadrdonlar, salomatmisiz? Qarang, Seferdan buyuk oldilar. 5-sinf Zominda, wow, bum yangilik bo'ldi. 5-sinf o'quvchisi, ajoyib. Abdulqodirbek, oldin qaysi maktabda o'qigansiz?
1-maktab.
Undan oldinchi?
75 da 5 kundoligida o'qiganman.
Keyin 1, keyin shu bilan qaysi hisoblashgan maktab? Siz bilan birga tayyorgarlik ko'rgan hisoblashgan maktabga? Keyin Sefer olaman dedingiz. Seferga birga tayyorgarlik ko'rdik. Haqiqatan o'quvchi harakatchan. Judayam lug'at boyligi katta. Nima degan bo'lardingiz? Agar keyingi o'quvchilarga siz yosh qatori va undan katta umuman o'quvchilarga, ya'ni Seferga tayyorgarlik ko'rayotgan o'quvchilarga nima maslahat berasiz? Ya'ni nimani his qildingizki, ana shuni o'zingizni bir kamchilikdek his qildingiz? Nimaga e'tibor berishsin o'shanga?
Xo'p. Eng qiyinlardan biri bu writing bo'ldi, chunki qiyin so'z tushdi. Oxirgi,
ya'ni essayda,
essayda qiyin so'zlar tushdi. Ularga tarjima qilsa bo'ladi. Keyin bitta narsaga fokus qilish kerak, bu hujjatlar qolib ketmasligi.
Documents.
Keyin hayajonlanib qolasiz imtihonga kirishdan oldin.
Yeah, you forgot document ID, you mean? So, how did you find the solution? What did you do?
The taxi arrived so fast.
Okay.
You can think where the taxi came from.
Right.
My sister realized that my ID was home and called a taxi and gave it to the location.
Right.
So it arrived as early as possible.
I'm sure it's easy for you, right?
Yeah.
And so, that's it.
Yeah.
What do you want? Say something.
Good luck on your exams.
Yeah, for everyone. Yeah, and then
focus on writing.
Yeah.
And vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Yeah, that's it. That's the point. Okay. Thank you. And yeah, there's a gift. Look at that. Thank you. Sovg'a olib kelibdilar, xursandmiz. E'tibor uchun ota-onangizga alohida rahmat ayting. Sertifikatlarni ko'rsating. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Keyingi ishlaringizga omad. Iloyim katta narsa ko'rsating. Maqsadlar xudosi sibir olish. Katta yutuqqa kutamiz sizdan. Ofarin. Faxrlanamiz siz bilan.